Hello and welcome to today's pandemic update video for Saturday, July 30th, 2022. 98% of the country is in higher substantial level of transmission, and just about 2% of the country is in moderate to low transmission. BA.5 variant makes up the dominant number of the cases, with 81.9% of all cases. BA.4 is 12.9%, BA.2, 12.1 is 5%, and BA.2 is almost non-existent. Today's cases, there were 56,029 new cases added today. Remember, there's less data reported on the weekend. Deaths, 161 new deaths today, and just only 155,948 tests have been conducted today. So still a very high positivity rate. Hospitalizations dropped slightly to 43,675. That's down by 332. ICUs have dropped to 5,098. That's down by 53. And taking a look at today's cases, New York came in with 6,411 cases. Pennsylvania reported 6,554 cases. That is a 2-day total. So that's not 1 day. That is 2 day. This is a 1-day total. New Jersey had yet another 4,000 cases added today. Tennessee, 3,400. Virginia, 3,200. Missouri, they do their weekly total on Saturdays. 14,286. Kentucky, 3,400 new cases. Alabama, almost 2,300. Maryland, 1,800. Oklahoma, 3,800. Arkansas, 1,248. Connecticut, 767. Puerto Rico, another 3,100 new cases. Iowa, 1,200 new cases. Maine, 191 new cases. D.C., 173, and the Virgin Islands, 41 new cases today. Fortunately, HHS map is still going around and around in circles today. It did work on mobile, and it was a slight drop comparable to the number reported by BNO. I believe I saw on the HHS mobile app it's about almost just shy of 44,000. Taking a look at Walgreens today, national positivity is at an even 37%, which that is pretty much flat over yesterday. Taking a look at a few states here. Maine is coming in at 24.9%, Pennsylvania 27.1%, Oregon's 33.2%, California's 44.7%, Florida 37.2%, Georgia is continuing to go higher, 39.7%, and we've flattened to almost dropping some in Texas with 43.1%. Speaking of Texas, today the positivity in Texas is 30.2%. Taking a look at hospitalizations in Texas, 3,624. Today we get New York State cases, but we did not get the hospitalizations today. 6,411 cases, 8.1% positivity, and just for reference, the hospitalizations are still at 2,757 in New York State. Taking a look at today's national numbers, international numbers, and you will see pretty much it's slightly lower because it's the weekend, but there are still some concerning trends. India, 16,500 cases. France, 41,000 cases. Brazil, 24,000. Italy, 49,000. South Korea on a Saturday, 81,000 cases. That's not good. Russia, 12,000 cases. Then we come down to Japan. Japan had another 221,000 cases, and that's making up almost 20 to 30% of the worldwide cases today. So that's really bad. The fact that Japan cannot contain this is extremely concerning. Australia, higher on a Saturday, also concerning. 49,157 cases. Mexico, 23,000 cases. And finally, Taiwan, 21,501 new cases today. Taking a look at the monkeypox outbreak, or as I like to say, pandemic. Monkeypox today, there is a total of 22,863 new cases. The United States did not update because it's the weekend, and there's only a couple places that updated. But we do now have, I believe, 4 deaths of monkeypox outside of Africa. 2 of them being in Spain, 1 being in Brazil. I believe the other one's listed here. No, the other one is not listed here, but just know there are now 4 deaths of monkeypox, and I hate to say it, I think monkeypox deaths are going to rapidly start to rise. It's going to probably be a couple more weeks before the United States sees one. And my best guess would be it's going to be either New York City or Washington, D.C. that reports one first. And the reason why I include Washington, D.C., Washington, D.C. stated today that they are seeing a rapid increase in severe cases of monkeypox. We also found out today in another country that another mutation of monkeypox was detected. So this is interesting. So we're seeing all these different mutations popping up. That's telling me this is really spreading much faster than we know about. And this is concerning. Fall's going to be really bad for monkeypox. My concern for monkeypox, at least in regards to children, is now higher than coronavirus. I mean, the 4 deaths that we've seen so far are between 30 and 41 years old. If we're seeing deaths at this age, and we know they're going to continue to add up, that's a really bad sign as to what's going to happen in kids in the coming months when they go back to school. So we're going to see how it plays out. I'm not going to speculate anymore, at least not for the moment. Down the line, maybe I will. My daily reminders for you today: continue to mask, continue to social distance, wear gloves when you go to the grocery store or get gas or anything else that requires a lot of touching. And sanitize your groceries when you bring them into the house. It's time to start doing that, just like we did back in early 2021, or early 2020, I should say. It needs to be done again. And remember, we are all in this together. We will eventually, hopefully sometime, get through all these viruses, but we will do it together. Stay safe, everyone, and remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below and share these videos to get the message out that COVID is not over. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.